it's a great day to be at the beach.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe on the sand, you know, maybe.
Stay on the sand, everyone.
Toes in the water.
Yeah, toe in the water. I like that. Maybe, you know, it's very hot. And we've got a couple more hot days, but then some refreshing days.
All right.
I said that earlier at noon, right?
You did, yeah. Refreshing by what temperature? What's your
83.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Listen, that is
compared to 93 or 94,
true.
right?
I'll let you have that one.
Okay, thank you. Dangerous heat in the forecast. That's your first alert weather headlines. Yeah, refreshing by Friday and Saturday, and then we're tracking more thunderstorms over the next couple of days. So we have the heat advisory that continues until tomorrow for several areas, including Boston. Feels like temperatures around 101. Let's drink plenty of water and take breaks while outdoors. You'll see the feels like temperatures right now in Rochester at 100 degrees. Feels like 100 there in Portsmouth, 101 in Norwood, mid-90s for Plymouth. You'll also see some mid-90s toward Bedford, low 90s in Worcester. And it feels like temperatures for tomorrow, deep into the 90s, and we'll probably have some triple digits, okay? Even toward Framingham, close to 100 degrees. We go into Thursday, a bit of a transition day for us, starting off with some clouds and showers. Feels like temperatures in the 80s. Then once we move into our Friday, we talk about the dew point temperatures. When you have those dew points in the 60s and even the 70s, yeah, things really start to feel really humid out there. But how about some middle 50s for dew point temperatures by Friday? That's where it's going to be comfortable, and we're going to keep that comfortable feeling even into Saturday. All right, so the severe potential. This is the forecast I've been talking about for thunderstorms tonight. We have a level 2 risk of seeing some strong, maybe marginally severe thunderstorms later on tonight for Boston. It does include central Mass as well, with damaging winds and heavy rain, lightning, and the potential for some hail. Then for tomorrow afternoon, evening, there's a potential we could also have another round of showers and storms before we can get that cooler weather, that refreshing weather, okay? So a couple of stormy days. I look at first alert radar, no rain to track here at home. We go to the west, though. That is a nasty line of showers and storms, tornado warnings east of Syracuse right now. And you'll notice this yellow shaded area. That's a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 o'clock. It does include parts of western Mass. Now, as this line continues pushing east this evening and tonight, it will weaken a bit more, okay? But still the potential we could have some damaging winds and some hail out of it. So here goes the forecast. We put it in motion, and that's towards 7 o'clock. Watching that line moving into western Mass, it continues pushing through. Still could be a bit strong there with some of the rain and also some of the winds that we'll need to watch out for. It gets a bit closer to Boston. Things really start to wind down a little bit. Then as we head through tomorrow morning, we have dry conditions, and then we start all over again. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, we'll be watching out for a couple areas. One to the south could impact the Cape. Then another line here from the west. That's at 6:45, 7 o'clock. It rolls in toward 8:45 and keep some showers around even for tomorrow night into early Thursday morning. I think most of the wet weather on Thursday will likely be confined mainly toward the coast and the Cape, but we're going to watch it very closely there. Again, some strong and severe storms not out of the question. So there's a 10-day forecast. Temperatures will be around 85 for Thursday, low 80s for Friday, mid 80s for Saturday and Sunday. Not a bad week on tap at all. Then we go into next week. Look at 82 degrees for highs on Monday, and then you'll notice we're not talking about 90s for the next several days, but we are talking about that chance of rain for Tuesday, Wednesday, and next Thursday.
That's all right. Look at Saturday and Sunday, though.
Yeah.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
How about
And
that?
those lows will
Not
be
me
nice.
coming back from a 2-week vacation already looking at the weekend, but it's the way it works.
Doesn't it look
right?
nice?
I'm just
Yeah.
surprised you're not speaking Italian.
You know what? Arrivederci.
There we go.
There you go, everybody.